Here's how you can make money from home in 6 easy steps. First, figure out what you want to do. What problems do you want to solve and what impact do you want to make? Number two, choose your niche. Pet care, food, fitness, health, wealth, parenting. The opportunities are endless. Number three, find your products, affiliate products, digital products, create a digital product of your own. Number four, choose a business model, MLM, affiliate marketing, digital products with master resale rights. And then choose a platform to market on: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube. Number six, start creating valuable content and make limitless commissions. No following required. The world has changed. The internet never sleeps. You can make money online from the comfort of your own couch. If you are looking for a simple, easy to follow, step by step, hold your hand kind of way to get started with digital marketing, I'm here to assist you. You don't need a following. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need any experience. You don't need to be tech savvy. This is a done for you business. Your website, your sales funnels, email copy, everything is done for you. So drop a one in the comments and I will send the information.